Hello Aquarius, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 21st to 27th September. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Now wanted to share an astrological input, like Mars has just gone retrograde a couple of days back. So Mars is the planet of ambition, the fiery energy, and the drive that it gives us to push ourselves forward. Now if that's gone on retrograde, at times we'll feel low energy, low ambition, low drive. Sorry, but we have a good news to share here. Jupiter has come out of retrograde from 13th September from 13th September. So Jupiter is the planet of good luck, expansion, finances, abundance, growth, prosperity, anything you name it with happiness, growth. It is Jupiter, like religion, belief, faith. So it has come out of retrograde. So things which were stuck, it was like more than a couple of months that Jupiter was in retrograde. So which stuck now will start picking up momentum slowly. Now there's another good news that Saturn is coming out of retrograde on 29th of September. So Saturn is the planet of restrictions, boundaries, working within boundaries. and hard work. So if we have worked hard, we have put focus during these times, so it's a time for award and reward. For Saturn will only reward those who have actually put in their heart, soul, mind into their work. And hopefully we'll have some good things with Jupiter and Saturn coming out of retrograde. So let's see, Aquarius, what's there in your week, in career, business, money here. So I've shuffled these cards, but let me shuffle it once more again. Hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff, Aquarius. 7 of Wands. It comes with, let us see what's okay. So the first card is Aquarius, I feel you need to defend. This is a card of defending your position at work. There might be some sneaky energy, somebody trying to cheat you, deceive you, trying to badmouth your reputation, trying to spoil your reputation, or somebody trying to cheat you in terms of money. Beware. You have to be defensive. You have to defend your position there. It could be a lot stressful. It could be stressful to you, but there is somebody, in your, maybe the person you work with, or it could be a subordinate or a senior, or at your job, at your workplace, business situation, anywhere, this is it. There is somebody playing mind games, somebody doing conflicting, causing conflicts and stress at your workplace here. So you need to defend your position, you need to defend your integrity, you need to defend your position, basically. Be cautious. That is what I can get off this card. Some sneaky person, trying to, or this, I think we got it in last week or this reading, if I don't know. This also shows that the person, if they are your subordinate, they might be doing cheap work. They might not be doing, if they report to you or they're working for you, they might just do a cheap work which will cause you losses, which will in the long run. So this is another thing that I am getting with this card here, 7 of Swords. Let us see. So this could be an Aries, Gemini, Libra, and Gemini. Sorry for the noise. It's so it could be a sword energy. So it's air energy, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra, and there is again a fire sign. It is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So let's see. What else? So this is in reverse. It's 9 of Swords in reverse with the Emperor. So it seems that you have been, your situation is quite stressed. You are trying to come out of this restless energy, restless nights. You are not able to sleep well. So finally you have taken, this Emperor card. It shows that First, let me tell you about this card. This card in an upright position, is like a lot of sleepless nights, anxiety, stress related to work, or a lot of thoughts going inside your mind, negative thoughts, which is making you, which is giving you sleepless nights. In a in reverse position, it shows that you are trying to come out of this situation. You are trying to come out of this energy, and trying to, now with this Emperor card, you are taking the your life in your hands, or you need to take your life in your hands. You need to refocus your priorities, you need to refocus your goals. You have to set your goals now. It's high time to set your goals and achieve it. If it is finances, if it is growth, if it is whatever you said, you have to have this Emperor energy. This could be an Aries or Taurus, and this, because this is a major arcana card, it is telling you take the your life in your hands. You will need to reach out to a person with this Emperor energy for help. So this person, an Aries or a Taurus person, could help you with this situation. Maybe they could suggest you ways, or guide you, advise you to how to deal with this stressful situation, because I see that there are sneaky energy defending your position, stressful position here. So sometimes you might be feeling defeated, and this person with an Emperor kind of energy, who is a bit mature, maybe they are a little older and having lot of experience, and they are successful people. An Emperor is not somebody who just give advice to someone. Somebody who has done it by himself, succeeded, will help you come out of this situation. Also, they could be helping you with monetary issues if you are going through financial crunch, or into a job situation, or maybe help you find a job for you if you are in a stuck position in job. But Emperor energy is strong. 4 kings together makes an Emperor. So you can understand the persona of the person. They will really help you get out of this situation. So seek help, Aquarius, from a senior, from somebody who's got great knowledge, who's kind, who's very gentle, and is caring towards his people, towards his family, towards his extended family, and to overall people here. So this is what I get here. I feel at work also you need to make several compromises. Now maybe you will not get the deals in the same kind of a benefit that you wanted. The compromises will be needed. So Queen of Wands, with the Nine of Wands here. So it seems that you got an Emperor. This is your energy. You are taking again will be taking a call now. You will taking a stand. You will be that entrepreneur now, that with you will back to your passionate, fiery self, Aquarius. Because you have been wounded, but you have not given up. There are a lot of disappointments, there are a lot of issues at work, at money situation, but you are not giving it up. You are that Queen of Wands here energy, that you are trying to understand the smaller bits. You are trying to fit in the puzzles where things have gone wrong, so that you can work towards it. So you are bold, you are furious, you are bold, and you are not giving up. You are standing for yourself here, defending yourself again, and this is your energy here, Aquarius. You have to be strong, you have to go bold. You are intelligent, you are psychic, you are a very good business person, with visionary. If a plan A doesn't work, keep a plan B ready, so that you can come out of this stressful situation here. This is what I get. Things are gonna change. Be patient. That is what I'm telling. Times will change. Be patient. The tide will turn in your favor. It's just a matter of time. One card just popped. I wanted to say. I'll just see now. One more shuffle, because the card flew up. Okay, so this is Knight of Wands with the King of Swords. So it seems that something came rushing in, some communication has come rushing into you. Now this will resonate differently for your situation, but it is in your money, business, or your life situation. Something comes, some communication comes rushing to you, which gives you a clarity about a situation, which gives you the truth about a situation, wherein you can make a decision. You will be making a decision that, maybe you were in a stuck situation and you weren't able to decide whether to stay on with this person or this situation. So here it seems that there is something which will come, a communication come rushing in, and you will decide that you will get clarity, you will get the truth, and you will try to either, if the situation is no more working, you will cut away the situation or the person from your life. If there is a you have this cheating energy here, so if you find somebody sneaky, maybe you'll cut them off of your life. So maybe it could be one of the thing, but it's like some communication rushing into you, and this gives you a clarity about, and you make a decision. Either you are keeping that person, or you are moving them away from your life, or you are sticking to the situation, or you might just move on. So this is this card here, Aquarius. This is it, Aquarius. Money wise, I don't see any pentacle card here. Let me just check. No, but there is a lot of ambition and drive here, Aquarius, that I see. Just will pull out the tide is about to change. Be patient, Aquarius. Things are going to change for the better. Let's see here. Dove. Okay, so here it says take a leap of faith. So even the card saying you same thing. Take a leap of faith. This is the card of the dove. So this is it, Aquarius. If my readings resonate to you, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and thanks for taking your time out and watching the videos. Stay blessed.